Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home. So I love my coffee and I've been looking for an electric gooseneck kettle so I can use it with my pour over. And I happened to find a smart electric gooseneck kettle. So this is from Govee and let's check it out. All right, so here are the instructions, a quick start guide. It's also got a little QR code on the back to download the Govee app from the App Store. I've already done that and set up an account. All right, I got off the box. All right, so we've got the power cord and the base right here. And then we've got the kettle. This is really nice. It's got this nice black finish. Inside it's got stainless steel. So it's got on the bottom, this is the heating element that attaches down into here. So I'll stick that out. All right. Here's the lid. Caution, hot steam and hot surface. Oh, yeah, that's true. So it's got 4 buttons right here. There's on and off, there's mode, DIY, and hold. So, and then it's got little buttons down here that'll show you the different temperatures for things like green tea, oolong tea, coffee, and boil. And then it's got a little Wi-Fi indicator so you know it's connected to the Wi-Fi. So it's really nice and sturdy here. Let's go ahead and check it out. So the getting started guide does say that you should test the water to make sure it's working properly, but don't drink it after you do that first pot. So let's check it out here. All right, here's the kettle. And it takes about, not quite a quart of water, about 0.85 quarts. Go ahead and fill it up. Let me put the lid on. All right. Press the on-off button to turn on the kettle. It's on. All right. Press the mode button to switch the kettle to boil. There we go. There, it's on boil. So this has got some great features even without the app. So it's got this mode button so you can switch it between the preset temperatures. You can also set a DIY temperature. You do need to do that in the app. So if you happen to want your water at 94 degrees, you could set that up. That's great for things like, you know, preparing baby formula or other recipes. So you can do all this just without the app, just with the buttons. The feature I really liked, which is what sold me on getting an electric kettle, is got a hold button. So when you've got your water to the temperature you want, you can push that hold button and it will hold it at that temperature till you're ready to brew. So I find that this is going to be really great for me because I tend to do a lot of other things while I'm making my coffee, and then I can make sure that the water's at the perfect temperature when I'm ready to pour over. Right, so it's warming up here. When it's done, that little light's going to go off. But while we're waiting for that, why don't we go ahead and hook it up to the Govee app. All right, so I've already downloaded the Govee app to my phone. Here it is right here. And go ahead and add a device. So I just click the top right button here. And I'll go to Home Appliances. Scroll down till I find my smart kettle. Go and select it. It's connecting. It says when the Wi-Fi indicator is flashing white slowly, press the power button. I can name my smart kettle. I think I'll call it Valerie's Coffee Kettle. Oh, Valerie's Coffee Kettle is too long. So I'll just name it Valerie's Kettle. Done. And now I can hook it up to my Wi-Fi network. So this is great because it works with Wi-Fi, so you don't have to necessarily be close to your kettle to use the app. I'm connected to Valerie's Kettle, and it actually tells me already the water is 206 degrees. So I can do all kinds of things on here. I can have a preset mode, so I can put it to 180 degrees for green tea. I could do a 195, 205 for coffee, and I can do it for boiling. There's the DIY mode, so if I want to customize this, this is pretty easy to customize. Just click here, and I can put my target temperature. They have an infant formula mode, so it will boil the water first and then cool it right to the target temperature, which is great if you're doing that. And you can change the temperatures here, and you can basically set it to pretty much anything you want. So that's really nice. But I'm going to use this mostly for my coffee. This keep warm feature is really nice because it will keep warm for every time that I want it to make it work. I can also schedule my start. So if I want to fill this up, it's important to have water in it, and then set it in the morning. I can come out in the morning and it'll be just ready to go. That's really great. So it's got a lot of really nice features here. It's got a brewing timer. If you are doing your pour over coffee and you want to make sure that you're doing it exactly right, they've got a timer that you can set. So it's got a lot of really great features. And it was really easy to set up with the Govee app. So, all right, so you can even use your Govee smart kettle with Alexa. Now I've gone ahead and paired that up with my app. It's really easy to do. You basically select third-party service, and then it will show you that you can pair it to either Alexa or Google Assistant. So I've already done that. So let me show you how it works. Alexa, turn on Valerie's kettle.
At what temperature?
212 degrees.
Preheating Valerie's kettle to 212 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right, so there it goes. You can see the little Wi-Fi lights on. It's on. It's on DIY because I specified the temperature, and I can hear it. It's starting to boil. So it even works with Alexa. So that's the Govee Smart Gooseneck Kettle, and I'm really looking forward to using it. Thank you.